Hi guys, this is Liz. I have here Calibrocoa or Million Bells and Pitonia that I'm going to transplant in these containers. I have here alfalfa meal as a good source of my nitrogen, and also all-purpose fertilizer triple 13. Pitonia is one of my favorite flowers. They are trailing plants. Going to use only three colors: the red, purple or violet, and white. I want the plant to be leaning towards outside. The color of the flower of this one is white. There's a dried white flower. The soil level or the new soil level will be the same as when I bought them. Still using the same fertilizer. I'm going to remove the holder of the hanging basket. I'm going to loosen up the soil around the pot. I'm spreading my fingers on the top of the plants, flip the pot, and then transfer the plants in the taller and bigger container. I cannot show it in the video because I need both of my hands. There's a gap, so I'm going to fill it up with more soil. And then water the plants. Use a well draining soil, and the pots should have holes at the bottom. The Calibrocoa is just a small version of the Pitonia flowers. If you want to have continuous blooms till the frost, use a fertilizer that has higher phosphorus in it, less of the nitrogen. They prefer the morning sunlight and shade in the afternoon, especially in zone 7 and above. In midsummer, when the plants are leggy, just trim a third of the plants so that they can bounce back